Hey there, let's jump right into this explainer. We're tackling AI in health and safety workflows today.
A huge welcome from Metricom. Let's explore exactly how artificial intelligence fits into your daily safety management.
So here's the million-dollar question. Is AI your shiny new safety manager or your biggest hidden risk?
AI is a phenomenal assistant. It rapidly drafts your toolbox talks, checklists, and procedures, saving countless admin hours.
But hey, saving time on paperwork is absolutely not the same as controlling real, physical workplace risks.
The real danger? AI can spit out these highly polished, super confident documents that are completely technically wrong. Listen, the absolute most crucial takeaway here is this. AI is not a safety manager.
It doesn't walk the job site. It literally cannot smell a dangerous gas leak.
It definitely can't hear that weird, abnormal grinding noise coming from your heavy equipment.
And it certainly can't spot poor housekeeping hiding dangerously behind a scaffold in a live zone.
Because context is everything, right? Every single physical workplace has its own completely unique risk profile.
For example, a crane lift near live traffic needs totally different controls than one in a secure yard.
AI simply can't validate if your safety controls are actually suitable, implemented, or even understood by your crew.
So how do we actually integrate AI responsibly into our workflows without cutting dangerous corners?
Well, we use a strict 6-step controlled integration workflow. Let's break these crucial steps down right now.
Step 1. Define the task. You've got to tell the AI the specific hazards, equipment, and legal context.
Next, treat everything as a rough draft. You absolutely must review it against actual real-world site conditions.
Then, competent human professionals must approve the final documents while maintaining strict evidence and version control.
Finally, never ever upload sensitive data. We're talking employee info, incident details, or confidential client data.
Used properly, this frees up your time for actual coaching. AI should improve safety discipline, never weaken it.
The future isn't AI replacing you. It's competent teams using AI responsibly to massively strengthen their systems. To wrap up this explainer, AI is great. It can draft, organize, and summarize data in seconds. But true, lasting safety? That still fundamentally requires competent, highly trained people actively engaged on the ground.
The real goal is preventing harm, not just producing paperwork. So how will you use AI responsibly today?